Hi, I'm Tavleen from Build WooFunnels, and in this quick video, I'm going to show you how to set up order bump and upsell variable products. So let's just add this item to the cart and let me show it to you in action. All right, so let's just proceed to checkout now. Okay, so we're now on the checkout page. Let me just show you the order bump. So here you go. This is the order bump. Yes, add freshly brewed cappuccino to my order. And then it says choose an option. When you click here, you're actually shown this pop-up on which two variants of the product are displayed, and you're asked to choose one. So when you choose one of these, you can add this to the cart. And that's a $2.10 product. So you've chosen an option. Once you tick it, you'll realize that the order total will get updated here and the product will get added to the cart. Well, so that is how variable product selection works. You're always asked to choose the option and you can pick one variant from here. So that's that. Let me now show you how to set this up from the back end. Now, setting this up is really simple as well. So you go into the rules section here and you can say when the item in cart is at least one off, and then you can write the item here. So if they're buying item X, they should be able to see the order bump for item Y, right? That is the simple rule here. You could also use two rules in conjunction. So you can say that when they're buying at least one of this, and also their buying cart item contains at least one off and another product here, right? So that becomes your sort of your rule here, and you can set up the rule like that. So I'll just save this rule right now. You've got a bunch of other rules if they're buying from this category, or when they're using this coupon code, or when they're using this shipping method, or billing country, shipping country, so on and so forth. So right now this satisfies my condition. So I'm going to go into the product section. All right, so when you go into the product section, you can see add new product, and then you're going to go here and search for the variable product. So for example, in this case, it's the freshly brewed cappuccino. That's the product that I wanted to upsell as an order bump. As you can notice, it says it's a variable product. The price ranges from $2.10 to $2.60. If you want, you can also offer a discount on this variable product, and the discount amount or the discount percentage will be applied on both the variations. And then you can simply go and hit save. The next thing, you head out to the design section. Now this is the order bump element right here, and you can obviously you can kind of design it the way you want. Now this actually fetches the entire description, the product description that is actually added by you in the product for the product in WooCommerce native itself. So it picks up the entire description, puts it here, but of course you can edit it and sort of just choose to have a shorter description here, whatever is needed to sort of get them to tick on this checkbox, right? You can also do away with the featured image if you do not want, but of course it looks good, we want it. Then you've got the option to choose the skin from here. You've got the option to modify the colors and change the border you turn the border from solid to dashed, from dashed to solid, whatever you like. So you can change the colors, customize it, you can add custom CSS if you want. And finally, in the settings section, you can set the priority of this order bump, which simply means you can set the priority to 1. So if there are two items in their cart, and both of which are associated with the order bump, then the one with lower priority will actually get a higher priority. So what this means is that if the priority of two items in cart of one is let's say 2, and of the other it's 3, then the priority number 2 will get higher preference, right? So that's what it is once it's set it up. So here you go, as I showed you that in the order bump section for the variable products, they will be asked to choose an option, and then a pop-up will display, and they can pick the option that they want. So think of t-shirts, red, blue and green. Think of anything which has variants. You can upsell variable products in the order bump section. So that's about it. If you have any questions, do pop them in the comment box below. I will be happy to take them up for you. Thank you so much for watching.